Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rose gardening gloves is probably one of the most important tools for any rose enthusiast. Protecting your hands from those sharp thorns is crucial for a comfortable and enjoyable gardening experience. In this video, we'll explore some top-rated gloves designed specifically for rose gardening, ensuring you can prune, plant, and maintain your roses with confidence and without painful scratches. Number 5. Rose Pruning Gloves, Long Thorn-Proof Gardening Gloves. These gloves are made with pigskin, which offers excellent breathability. The porous texture keeps your hands cool and comfortable, even when wet. It is the best gardening gift for gardeners. Made from 100% natural premium pigskin leather, these gloves are wear-resistant and puncture-resistant. They keep your hands safe and free from scratches while you work. The extended pigskin leather cuff protects your hands and forearms from cuts and scratches. It provides good coverage, allowing you to prune roses without pain. The gloves feature a puncture-resistant padded palm and fingertips for reinforced protection. The flexible design makes it easier to use garden tools. These thorn-proof gardening gloves are ideal for trimming roses, pruning holly bushes, and other prickly shrubs. They are perfect for any gardener dealing with thorny plants. What we like. This glove features breathable pigskin leather, keeping your hands cool and comfortable. The elbow-length gauntlet cuff provides excellent protection for your forearms. If you're looking for a glove that offers both breathability and comprehensive protection while working with roses, this is the one for you. What people say. Very sturdy material. No thorns getting through. Covers up to your elbows to protect your hands and clothing. Flexible and protective. High-quality stitching and material. They stand up really well to blackberry thorns. The long arms are great to prevent being scratched as you reach into thorny plants. I had 0 scrapes on my forearms. Number 4. Long Gardening Gloves, Thorn-Proof Gauntlet, M. These gloves are perfect for pruning roses, blackberries, and other prickly plants. They are designed to keep your hands safe from thorns and scratches while you work in the garden. Made from high-quality cowhide leather, these gloves are built to last. The material is soft, breathable, and non-toxic, ensuring both comfort and protection. The full-grain cowhide palm provides excellent wear resistance. The elbow-length gauntlet and extended cuff shield your forearms from cuts and scratches, allowing you to work freely. The gloves are meticulously stitched with a keystone thumb design for comfort and flexibility. They allow for easy gripping of tools and fine motor tasks like planting seeds. We offer a 60-day money-back guarantee and replacement. If you're not satisfied with the gloves, contact us, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution. Your safety is our priority. What we like. This glove is made from durable cowhide leather, ensuring long-lasting use. It provides full forearm protection with its extended gauntlet. If you need a glove that combines strength, protection, and flexibility for various gardening tasks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. They are rugged. I have used them to clear mesquite trees and prickly pear cactus to help build a trail. I don't know how many times I punched or smacked a cactus or a mesquite trees. Yet I can tell you that not one single thorn got through these gloves. Beautiful soft leather that fits my small hands and slender arms. It was great that the gloves provided extra small size. The adjustable arm ties give comfort that the gloves stay in place. I am thrilled with the protection these gloves provide. Both arms deep into the rose bushes and not a single scratch. The price is fantastic. I will be ordering an extra pair. Number 3. G&F Florist Pro Long Sleeve Rose Gardening Gloves. Tired of thorns and scratches while gardening? These gloves are designed to protect you. They are perfect for rose gardening and other tasks. The long sleeves provide extra protection, covering your arms. This feature keeps you safe from any potential harm. Made with durable materials, these gloves are built to last. They are also comfortable, allowing you to work in the garden for hours. Whether you're a professional florist or a passionate gardener, these gloves are a must-have. They make gardening a more enjoyable experience. Protect your hands and arms with these amazing gloves. They are the perfect addition to your gardening tools. What we like. This glove is designed specifically for rose gardening, with a long sleeve design. It is a pro-level glove. If you are a florist or a serious rose gardener, this glove will provide the protection and comfort you need. What people say. The gloves are long enough to protect my forearms. The gloves are thick enough to protect from thorns. The gloves are well made and sturdy. Number 2. G&F Women's Gardening Gloves. These gloves are designed specifically for women gardeners. They provide the perfect combination of comfort and protection, making gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable. The microfoam coating ensures a secure grip, even in wet conditions. This feature allows you to handle tools and plants with confidence and precision. The nylon shell is both durable and flexible, offering long-lasting wear and a comfortable fit. It allows for a full range of motion while protecting your hands. The textured palm enhances grip, preventing slippage and providing better control. This is especially useful when handling tools or working with soil. Whether you're planting flowers, weeding, or pruning, these gloves are the perfect companion. They are designed to make your gardening experience more comfortable and efficient. What we like. This glove features a microfoam coating and a durable nylon shell. The textured palm provides a maximum grip. If you are looking for a glove that offers a secure grip and durability for general gardening tasks, consider this one. What people say. Heavy textured rubber, latex, on the front and back of the fingers, but breathable fabric at the wrists. The nitrile coating covers the palm and all the way over the fingers to the back of the hand, as pictured. The textured coating seems thicker than most garden gloves, so they grip really well, and I think they may also last longer. Number 1. Gardening gloves for women thorn-proof. Are you tired of getting pricked by thorns while gardening? These gloves are designed to protect your hands. They are perfect for rose pruning and handling thorny plants. These gloves are made of durable cowhide leather. They offer excellent protection against thorns and other sharp objects. You can now enjoy gardening without the worry of injuries. These gloves are ideal for working with roses, cacti, and blackberries. They provide the protection you need. It allows you to handle these plants with confidence and ease. The gloves are made from high-quality cowhide leather. This material is known for its durability and resistance to punctures. They are built to last through many gardening seasons. With these gloves, you can finally enjoy gardening without the fear of scratches. They offer a comfortable fit and excellent protection. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This glove is made from thorn-proof cowhide leather, offering excellent protection. The long length ensures your arms are protected. If you like working with roses, cactus, or other thorny plants, this glove is a great choice for you. What people say. They're thorn-proof, there's no stabbing from roses or cactus, they're great for digging. They're great for planting and pruning. They offer excellent hand and arm protection. I was able to prune my entire rose garden without a scratch, and I decided to see just how good they are. I grabbed the bottom part where most of the thorns were, and I squeezed hard and not a single thorn came off or stabbed me. I was really super impressed. Next, I tried one of my cactus plants. I transplanted it from one pot to another. I actually grabbed the cactus by the thorns and it didn't stab me and did not come through the leather. The functionality of these gloves is that you can do anything. I pruned some trees. The branches stabbed me in the arms, but I didn't feel it cause it didn't go through. On the palms of the gloves, there are extra leather to protect your hands and also your fingertips. I have long natural fingernails and most of the time my fingers go through the gloves, but on these not a thing. It protected my nails and the sturdy leather stayed true to form. If you have gardening work to do or working with chickens or other farm animals, even laying fence and putting fence up, they won't stab you and they have not torn, and I'm very impressed. They're excellent. Very high quality product, very well made, very easy, lightweight and not bulky at all. And they don't make you sweat inside your arms or your hands get all sweaty. It's like they breathe. It's a definite 5-star, and if I could rate it higher, I would. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.